Okay, hey guys, this is the first dance sequence in the Poultry Tale opening number. I'm going to do it for you first, and then I'm going to break it down for you quickly. You can always rewind it if you need to go back over anything, so you can make sure you know what you're doing. Okay? Here we go.
And don't be strangers in a junkyard of three rangers. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. Here we're what?
Okay, really quickly, I'll break it down. I'll face this way so you can see what I'm doing. Okay? We start off in the beginning, right, left, out. Then you go right, left, bounce to the right, bounce to the left, dip under, stand up. Then your right leg goes forward, then you cross behind, and you turn. Okay? Then you skip to your next formation. Then you lock with your right hand. This comes up and flips. Remember that? It's just a flip. Yeah? Flip. At the same time, you go right heel, down. At the same time as you come back, you point to the left. Then you do rock to the right, rock to the left. Okay? Then you flap your wings. Then you drop down and out and down and up, and you walk off whichever way you're going to walk. Okay? So I'll do it with the counts. I'll face you with the counts. It's a poultry tale. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. A 1, a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1 and a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, 6, 7, and 8.